Do it.
You're not going to spin.
You start rolling. And action. Fast go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, come on, up. Come on. No, up. See it back. Squawky, up. Come on. Squawky, up. God, you're really nice, man. Leave it. Buddy, leave it.
Buddy just swallowed one. Mum, the dog just ate one.
The pet one?
Bud did. But
Oh, you'll be ill.
Squawky dropped it.
Good boy. Alright, my man? Come on. Squawky. Come on. Good boy. There's Squawky.
Oh, he's just
Yes, Squawky. Come on.
Good job, you just missed your back.
Leave it.
Buddy!
Come on. No. Go. Go on. Go on. There you go. What's it like? Hey? Go on, where you go? Go on. Did he? Did he? Is he facing the camera? Hey, what's he doing? Come on, Squawk, where you go?
I just pooed again.
He's got there in a minute. You've got to wait 2 minutes.
It's not on his head, Emma. Wow.
Right, my man. You ready to go? You ready to go? Go on. Where you go?
He's gonna go for me in a minute.
No, he's going to find him. He's ready to go now. Full of shit tonight. Hey, you're certainly full of shit tonight, man.
Oh, it's gonna be urge.
Gonna ring him now. You hear me?
Yeah.
He's gonna ring now. Put a ring on him. Martin's gonna get ring tomorrow. I'm gonna ring him.
I hope you don't expect to sit on my shoulder next week.
You just gotta put a dish there and make sure no other seagulls come in when he's feeding.
Oh.
Go on, Squawky.
Tia, get back.
You're shitting tonight, man. Get Mother Lorna.
Mum, servants do.
Come on, man.
Buddy, get back.